In this tutorial, you'll learn how to show two clocks on your iPhone, which can be helpful for keeping track of time in different time zones. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Unlock your iPhone and locate the clock app. It's typically found on your home screen. Tap on it to open. Under the clock settings, you'll see various options. Look for World Clock and tap on it. In the World Clock section, tap on the plus add button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. A search bar will appear. Type in the name of the city or time zone you want to add to your world clocks. I search for Abu Dhabi and tap on it to select it. You'll see it added to your world clocks list. If you want to add another clock, repeat steps 4 to 6 to add a second time zone to your world clocks. Now you have two clocks displayed on your iPhone, allowing you to easily keep track of time in different time zones. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching and have a great day.